let's just call it responsibility. We're down on the base chakra and the throat at the same time now. The element of responsibility that we created for ourselves as God, from the perspective of God, is I give unto the world that which I wish to experience myself. So if it is love, well, of course, you're focusing on the love that is within you. But then what's next? You gotta give that love, because whatever you give, you receive, right? As above, so below, as within, so without. And so if it's love that you're seeking, that it is gratitude that you wish to experience, it is that gratitude that you gotta give forth into the world. And only by giving that gratitude, by giving that love, by giving the happiness, you get to experience it. You get to multiply it within yourself, because you're focusing upon it through word, thought, and speech. And it is important that you give it from the space of yourself, from within your being forth, and not from the outside. Because now, since you are the divine principle, God, it is the world that is coming to you asking for help.
Quick note, my friends. I do energy healing sessions, online teachings, one-to-one sessions, as well as workshops online. So if you're interested in any of the topics of spirituality and going beyond just the physicality, wanting to expand your awareness, click the link down in the description below, and I'll see you there. Blessings be upon you, my friend.